all. I'm Ajita from Salem. I had joint pain. I had joint pain, weight loss. I had swelling in my feet, and I was not able to sleep properly for literally for many months. Actually, I was not able to sit down. I was not able to walk properly. Everything was very hard for me. Only my with my parents' support, I could to the washroom even. So it was a very horrible situation for me. And then we met many doctors. They were not able to find what was wrong with me. And finally, we found a rheumatologist who told that this is an ankylosing spondylitis. And I had taken allopathy, homeopathy, Siddha, Ayurveda. I had tried many medicines, and which didn't work out. I Nothing worked out on me. I had so much of weight loss. Third, I was 47 during my college days, and because of this, all those pain and all. Actually, I also had some emotional stress within myself. I had a personal stress within myself. So because of that, I also had weight loss, which I came to 28 kgs, and which my parents also more than me, they were the one who suffered a lot because of my weight loss. That was the only thing they were suffering a lot. I was also looking for a solution because we tried Siddha, Ayurveda, and all other things. Even my appa's friend gave some medicine, and they asked me to follow that. Nothing worked out, and then I was actually looking for a solution from somewhere. And after that, I found this well cure in the Facebook app. I just thought, let me give it a try. It was written, cure all your diseases, autoimmune conditions with this natural diet. And I was impressed with that because I've learned so much about this natural diet and it can cure anything. So I was 100% sure that this will actually cure my problem. So I went into that, and I had this 3 days course, online course with them, autoimmune class. But I was not, they guided me clearly, but I was not guided as a single person. So they just gave me what was the diet and what has to be followed that, but I got results, but I didn't get the results very fast. It was slowly coming up. So I tried their 1 month course in which Prashanti ma'am and Asha ma'am guided me throughout for 1 month. I saw all my changes within that 1 month itself. I had all the changes. My skin has improved, my sleep quality has been improved, where I couldn't even sleep for 1 or 2 hours. In this, which they guided me, I could sleep peacefully. Not only the problem was the weight loss, because my head pain was there. My backside head was paining a lot. It'll be like all the nerves were bursting. So that pain has decreased so much when they guided me, and I could sleep for hours. That was very shocking for me because the days when couldn't sleep and I was crying with my mom, and all the days that changed and it came, it was, I felt blessed when I could sleep properly. I actually thought that I got my life back. It was like that situation. And after following it for 2, 3 months, I started gaining weight, and all my pain, all my swelling has gone. Literally, actually, I got little swelling after even joining their course. I got little swelling, and they properly guided me. They told me that it's just a detox phase, and no need to get worried for that. So literally, that swelling has been decreased, and the joint pain has totally gone now. I don't have zero pain, no pain at all, and I'm so happy for that. Even my parents are so happy for that. And my weight is increased from 28. Now I'm 35. Now today I'm 35 kgs, and which everybody expected so much I should gain weight. And for anything, no diet has improved my weight other than this natural food. I had all fruits and vegetables, which they told me, and they guided me properly. Thank you, Asha ma'am and Prashanti ma'am, for this wonderful journey. And naturally, we all think that all these protein powders and protein supplements will make us gain weight or will give that power to walk, run, or whatever. That is actually totally false, because uh, I'm here for an example for you all. I didn't have any of them. I just had fruits and vegetables, and I had only those, and I had all the power. Before starting this journey, I had no energy at all. I couldn't walk or sit or do. Even sleep was very hard for me. So after following this, I could even run, jog. I could dance and do everything. I had this hobby of dancing before in my school days, and because of this, I stopped it and I couldn't dance. And now I could continue that wonderful journey. I could dance, I could sing, I could do everything. I'm happy. Like overall, I'm so happy within myself, and emotionally, I'm very strong, and my mind is so free. Uh, like what to say, I'm not at all stressed actually, and I'm doing I could do yoga, I could do all the stretches, and my days always begins with yoga and sunlight. Those are my powerhouse actually. And I hope my journey inspires all of you. This was all the truth from bottom of my heart. And so for any of your health queries, you can contact WellCure. They'll support and guide you throughout your journey, and you can heal from your disease. And thank you for listening to me. Wish you all the best, and you'll heal soon. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my journey. Thank you, Asha ma'am and Prashanti ma'am, for this wonderful journey. I'll never forget you both in my lifetime. Thank you, ma'am. Thank